If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. If you aren't importing a company file or company file data after signing up for QuickBooks Online, then you must create and customize a new company file. After signing up for a free trial or buying a new company file subscription, a Get Started wizard appears. Click the Let's Get Started button to continue. In the next screen, enter your legal business name into the field that asks for your business name. Then click the Next button to continue. The next screen asks how you have been managing your finances. Select the button for your answer and then click Next to continue. If you want to import data from QuickBooks Desktop or Sage 50/Peachtree, then follow the instructions shown on screen to learn how to find up-to-date instructions about importing company data from your version of QuickBooks Desktop or Sage 50/Peachtree. Alternatively, to create a new company file instead of importing data, simply continue to answer the questions posed to you in each screen of the Get Started wizard and click the Next button to continue through the screens. You can also click the Back button if needed to go back and change answers. Many screens also have a skip link you can click to skip optional steps if desired. When finished, QuickBooks then opens the dashboard page for your new company file. It also provides a tour of the program's interface you can view if desired. Depending on your setup choices, a setup checklist widget that contains a list of initial tasks you can do to finish the setup and customize your company file before you start using it may appear within your dashboard page. You can click the links to step through the actions in the setup checklist if desired. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.